Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to show battle or personal stats in a match in the PUBG Mobile application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on this button down below on the right side corner of the screen. After that, click on settings at the top, then go to this right side column, scroll down and tap on privacy and social. After that, you should scroll down again till you find this show personal stats in match, show battle stats in match, and show social stats in match. Down below at the bottom of the screen you can enable and disable these three features. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.